You will need self-rising flour, sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla, milk, food coloring, which I'm using green, yellow, and red, mixing bowl, measuring cups. Here's my thing of measuring cups. 6 small bowls, which I'm only using 3. Muffin cups, these things. Muffin pan. Oh, okay. Measuring spoons, which are in here, and a whisk. And sprinkles, which are completely optional. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 395. Step 2. Wash your hands. Step 3. Mix 3/4 cups of sugar and 3/4 cups of butter with a whisk until it's nice and fluffy. So, when you're done whisking it, it should look something like this. Step 4. Slowly stir in eggs and flour in your mixture. And make sure it's stirred carefully. Okay, so I'm going to stir it, add a little flour, stir it some more, add an egg, stir it a little bit more, and repeat that process till it's thoroughly stirred. Once you've added the eggs and flour, it should look something like this. Step 5 is to add 1½ teaspoons of vanilla. Then, stir the vanilla into the mixture. Step 6 is to add 3 tablespoons of milk, adding only 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing thoroughly. Step 7. Divide the batter evenly into the amount of bowls equal to the amount of colors you want to use. I'm using 3 colors, therefore I'll divide it into 3 bowls. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit in each one at a time until I get them about even, unless I want like more of one certain color. Step 9 is to put 1 spoon into each bowl. Step 10 is to add food coloring to your desired color. I'm going to show you how to do how I do my red. So I'm just going to add 2 per one or 3, and I'm going to mix it until I like the color. I could either stay with the pink or go to red. I'm going to stay with the pink, but I'm going to add a little bit more. So this is what mine looks like when I'm done. Step 11 is to put your muffin liners in your muffin tin. Step 12 is to lay your colors in the desired order, like this. So first I'm going to take a little bit of red, put it in this. I'm going to take a little bit of yellow, put it in this, like this, just on top of each other. And then I'm going to take a little green, put it on top of each other, like that. And each one. After you finish filling them, you have the option to swirl them like this. You just swirl it a little bit and it gets the colors swirled. Step 13 is to put them in the oven at 395 for 10 minutes. Okay, after it beeps, you're going to get it out of the oven, let it cool for just a little bit. It's probably not going to be ready, but we're just going to check. Put it on my little pan. Oopsies. Okay, so you're going to check by sticking it in, and if anything comes out, it's not ready. So I'm going to put it in for about 5 more minutes and see what it looks like from there. Okay, so it's going to beep. Okay, it beeped. So I'm going to check it one more time. This time I'm not going to take it out. Oh, that's hot air. Okay, so take a toothpick, dip it in. It's perfect. Now there's nothing on the toothpick. So I'm just going to take them out, set them on here, and let them cool for a little while. About 5 minutes. Now I'm going to wait about a half an hour to let them cool before I frost them. Or else the frosting will melt all over the cupcakes and turn into a giant mess. Step 14 is to frost the cupcakes. Frost the cupcakes. First you grab a little spoonful. Then you stick it on the cupcake. And once it's like on the cupcake, you can either use a spoon or I'm going to use this little tool. And you just spread it around like this. If you just want to do it like this, or if you want to do a mountain, you tip it more and you add a little to the top. Then I'm going to add a little bit of sprinkles to make it a little more festive. And this is the final product for our cupcakes. Hope you enjoyed watching. Now, a little video of us tasting the cupcakes for the first time. I'm going to take out the wrapper. Hold on. Let's all try it. Whoa. Okay. Ready? Mmm. And look at the inside. It's all different colors. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.